Hey guys, welcome back. Guess what? More fiberglass. Let's just hop onto it. Alright, so I know I keep saying it, that we're gonna get to these corner pieces. Well, guess what? Right now, we're gonna get to these corner pieces. So we're just gonna take, wet up 2 pieces this long and wrap it all the way across the back, the corner pieces, and bond it down. And it's just gonna be sticking off the side, and then we'll do a wrap on the edge, wrapping it around to the back side later. What this is going to do is it's going to help structure out the supports, so that's going to be good. And it's also going to provide a little more strength to the backside right here, and we'll do the same thing up at the top. Middle I'm not so concerned about because it will just be a 2-inch strip that would just add a little piece to. But getting this done where it's going to wrap around the bottom side is going to add a lot of rigidity, and then we'll take and wrap it around these corners and do 2 more layers on the outside of them as well. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut some pieces and wet it up, and then we'll go and lay them down. So that's going to be our template right here, and we'll just stick it on top of our fiberglass and cut it out to the shape. I went ahead and just trimmed down these corners so that way we can continue to lay down fiberglass over this whole thing. I want to get at least 4 more layers on these outsides and at least 3 more layers coming across to the back right here. Alright, so we're going to use this butcher paper right here, and we're going to make a template of what our next pieces of fiberglass here are going to look like. All right, so next I want to take and right back here, I'm gonna put down like 5 layers of fiberglass from here to the back panel right here and kind of just seal it in. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of this corrugated plastic, put some Teflon release film on it, and then fold it back where we're gonna be able to get positive pressure to pin it in place and then push outwards where it's gonna take and allow it to bond really well to the aluminum and the back panel. So we'll go ahead and do that right now, and then tomorrow we'll come back and keep working away at this. Alright, so this is all set up now, all cured up, and we'll put some riv nuts through there to bolt our seat pan down on. And then for now, I'm gonna take and put some metal flashing tape behind this and sand it down to shape. And then I'm going to take, put some caps on this and wrap it towards the backside right here. Get 2 more layers on this face, so it's going to take and tie in our inside to our outside face. Then eventually we're going to do 2 more corner pieces on the outside, but that's down the road, not as important right now. I want to get this tie-in because that's going to help us get the exact shape we need for our seat here. And once we get that situated, we'll put a piece of foam in here, tie this down, probably like a 6-inch piece coming down the middle here, and then tapered out from there to either side. And that's gonna encompass our pan, and we need to make sure we get clearance for our cable right here. And that's about it. So then once we got the seat in the back, that's the majority of fiberglass, and then we just got to get these sides here and then the front nose piece. But it's coming along nicely. So for these caps right here, on here and here, I made these 2 guys, and all this is gonna do is gonna sit on here as after we put the fiberglass down, and that way, when it is sitting up here, it is clamping down, and we're gonna put clamps on this and it'll hold the fiberglass down and push it down positive pressure in place, so that way we get a good bond on here. And then we have fiberglass where it's gonna wrap around from the inside about 1 inch, all the way the back side, all the way to the edge. So I'll get the fiberglass cut right now, and then we'll start laying it down. All right, and with that, stay classy.
You stay classy, San Diego.
And thanks for stopping by.
But mainly, stay classy.
Thanks for stopping by.
Stay classy, I'm Ron Burgundy.
Thanks for stopping by.
Stay classy.
We're gonna let this cure up, and I'll catch you all on the next episode when we start working on the shape for the actual seat pan. See you guys later.